everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. It's me, Vinita. Also today it is a continuation of problems using trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here the question is choose the correct option and justify your choice. Question number 1, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree equal to dash. Here we have given 4 options. Sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree and sin 30 degree. So first of all, we can find out what is tan 30 degree from the chart. Here tan 30 degree, it is 1 by root 3. So we can substitute the value of tan 30 degree in the given question. That means 2 multiply 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square, because here tan square 30 degree. So 1 by root 3 the whole square. That means 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square, we will get 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. That means 1 by 3. Here we can take the LCM in the denominator. So it is 3 is the LCM. We can multiply 3 in the numerator and denominator. We will get 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. That means 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. Here we can consider 2 by root 3 as the numerator and 4 by 3 as the denominator. So that means 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. That is 2 by root 3. Division we can change into multiplication. 4 by 3 we have to take the reciprocal of 4 by 3, that is 3 by 4. 2 and 4 it is in table 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 3 by 2 root 3 or 2 into root 3. Here 3 we can rewrite as root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Here root 3 and root 3 we can cancel. So we will get the answer root 3 by 2. So from the chart we will get root 3 by 2, where we will get, that means sin 60 degree will be root 3 by 2. So the answer here root 3 by 2 means sin 60 degree. That means option A. So the answer of question number 1 is option A, sin 60 degree. Now question number 2. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 equal to dash. Here from the chart we have to know that tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus, we can substitute the value of tan 45, that is tan 45 it is 1. So 1, so tan square 45 it is 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 square. So the answer is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. That means 1 minus 1 is 0 by 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 by 2 it is 0. So here the option D is the correct answer. So option D equal to 0 is the correct answer. Now question number 3. Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A is true when A equal to dash. So sin 2A we can give, first of all the first option is 0. We can give the value 0 degree for A, means sin 2 multiply 0 degree equal to 2 into sin 0. Sin 2 into 0 degree means sin 0 equal to 2 into sin 0. The answer is 0. So sin 0 equal to 0. Sin 0 it is 0. That means left side and right side we got the value, it is 0. That means sin 2A equal to 2 sin A, we got the value 0. So the option A is the correct answer. So A should be 0 degree. Now question number 4. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So first of all we have to check what is the answer of tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree it is 1 by root 3. So 2 into, we can substitute the value of tan 30 degree, it is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. That means 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. That means 2 by root 3 divided by, here we can take the LCM. So 3 is the LCM. So we will get 3 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Here we can consider 2 by root 3 as the numerator, 2 by 3 as the denominator. So 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3. Division of fraction, division we can change into multiplication. 2 by 3 we have to take the reciprocal, that is 3 by 2. We can cancel 2 and 2, we will get the answer 3 by root 3. So like before question, we can rewrite 3 as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. We can cancel root 3 and root 3. So we will get the answer here root 3. That means from the chart, the value of root 3, we are getting the root 3 answer for tan 60 degree. So here also we have the option tan 60 degree. So root 3 equal to tan 60 degree. So option C is the answer. So 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree equal to tan 60 degree. Now question number 2. If tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree, a greater than b, we have to find the value of a and b. So tan a plus b, it is given root 3. We know that root 3 we will get for tan 60 degree. So tan a plus b equal to tan 60 degree. So a plus b equal to 60 degree. We can consider this as equation number 1. Now tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3 we have. So here 1 by root 3 we are getting for tan 30 degree. So we can write tan a minus b equal to tan 30 degree. So a minus b equal to 30 degree. Consider this as equation number 2. Now we can solve equation number 2, 1 and 2. A plus b equal to 60 degree. A minus b equal to 30 degree. So b plus b and minus b we can cancel. A plus a will be 2a equal to 90 degree. So a equal to 90 degree divided by 2 will be 45 degree. Now we got the value of a. Now substitute the value of a equal to 45 degree either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. So here I am choosing equation number 1. So a plus b equal to 60 degree. We can substitute the value of a equal to 60 degree. So b equal to, we can take 45 degree into another side. So b equal to 15 degree. So the value of a equal to 45 degree and b equal to 15 degree. Now we have find out the value of a and b. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.